Ahoy there, cruisers, and welcome to the show all about Princess Cruises. It's the ultimate guide. And look at this, we're on a princess ship right now.
How apt. Yeah, we're going to give you all the information that you need to see if a princess cruise is the cruise for you.
We've done all of the research and hard work, such as cruising like this. Somebody has to do it, so we can help you make the right decision in booking a princess cruise.
So, let's get on with the show.
So to get started, let's give you a little bit of background about Princess Cruises. They were founded back in 1965, and made massively famous by a little show called The Love Boat, which featured the Pacific Princess. It's currently part of the Carnival family. The line now has 17 ships sailing globe-wide. We're offering a slew of itineraries that range from 1 to 100 plus days and visit more than 300 ports. Let's talk about the ships.
So the Princess Cruises fleet consists of 5 different classes of ship. And first up, we're going to take a look at the Coral class.
Built in 2002 and 2003, the Coral and Island Princess holds just under 2,000 passengers. It's still a relatively small ship with a very intimate feeling. It's on the more traditional side but still feels glitzy and glamorous. It's known for its great service. They currently sail the Panama Canal, Alaska and the Caribbean. You'll usually find a more mature crowd with the more unusual and longer itineraries, but you'll find more children during the holidays. And there's a great adults only sun deck. It doesn't have the latest features, but it still holds up really well. The R class is the smallest class in the Princess fleet, and it consists of just the Pacific Princess. She was built in 1999 and she holds just under 700 passengers. She offers some really exotic itineraries in Asia, South America and Europe, and she also completes world cruises. She really resembles an old manor house. You really get to know the crew and the passengers because of the lovely small size. You'll usually find a more mature crowd due to the longer itineraries. The Sun class was built in the mid-90s. They hold just under 2,000 passengers and consist of just the Sun and the Sea Princess. They offer some fantastic itineraries, usually sailing in Australia and the Pacific as well as Asia. It also completes world cruises. They're elegant ships, known for their outstanding food and service with classic decor. They're older ships but still well looked after with several refurbishments, and they can be found to be quieter than some of the other ships and suits more a mature passenger. The Grand class is the biggest class with 9 ships. There's also a few subclasses in there, but they're all very similar. They were built from the late 90s to 2008 and they hold around 2,500 passengers. They pioneered the Movies Under the Stars outdoor theatre. They're large ships with lots of great bars, restaurants and activities. Food and entertainment sometimes is themed around the cruise itinerary, and there's lots of varied entertainment and activities through the day and night. There's some great outdoor areas with lots of pools, and some have solariums, which is great for all the weather. They still look great despite their age, with continuing refurbishments. They have comfortable cabins and a large mix of passengers, and great kids clubs on offer. They offer really good value cruises, and they sail all around the world: Europe, Caribbean, USA, Asia and Pacific. It's a great all-rounder ship. It feels really like a princess ship. And finally we have the Royal class. Built from 2013, it's the newest and largest class. There's currently 3 ships in the fleet: the Regal, Royal and Majestic. It's the flagship of the whole fleet. They feel grand and beautiful. You'll find them sailing in the Caribbean, Europe, Asia and Pacific. There's over 15 dining options, so you can have a great variety, and there's loads of venues to eat, drink and relax in. And there's a lovely adults only pool area. They're stunning and glamorous ships with sophisticated, luxurious decor. And you'll find features such as the sea walk and fountains. There's also excellent entertainment. They're modern ships but still princess at heart. It still feels familiar. The cabins are smaller than some of the other classes but bright and modern. There's great kids clubs. There really is something for everyone. You'll find multi-generational groups with more kids in the holidays. The Sky Princess is coming soon with a great new pool area, and Sky Suites offering an amazing 270-degree view, and they sleep up to 5. So let's talk about my favourite part about cruising: the food. We'll start off with the buffet. On Princess cruise ships, you have the Horizon buffet. This is a huge buffet on the brand new ships such as the Royal, Regal and Majestic, and it's a little bit smaller on the older ships. But the main dining room is so good, I really think that they try and push you towards this instead of eating in the buffet. So Princess offers set seat dining and more flexible anytime dining options available in the main dining rooms. The complimentary restaurant Alfredo's Pizza serves up award-winning pizzas, and the 24-hour international cafe offers complimentary snacks and pastries, and it's absolutely delicious. It's great for a snack anytime during the day or night. And if you fancy a night in or a lie-in, room service is available 24 hours a day with a breakfast menu available to pre-order. Specialty dining on board varies depending on the ship, but some favourites include Share, a restaurant helmed by celebrity Australian chef Curtis Stone, the Salty Dog Gastropub, Sabatini's Italian, Bayou Cafe and the Crown Grill. The chef's table experience is awesome. You get your own private table, you visit the galley with the chef, he'll show you him making your meal, then he'll join you for dinner and walk you through all of the amazing courses that he has specially created for you. Princess is also famous for its ultimate balcony dining. For this, of course, you need a balcony, so you can pay for you and everybody in your cabin to be served an amazing dinner on your balcony with private waiters, half a bottle of champagne. It sounds amazing. Just imagine the sunset going down while you're being served delicious gourmet food right on your balcony. Vines also offers small gourmet dishes, canapes and sushi with no extra cost if you buy a drink whilst in the bar. Afternoon tea service can sometimes be found in the buffet, and for an extra charge, sometimes they will run a white gloved tea service. Very British and very posh. We do recommend this as it's quite an experience with lovely little finger sandwiches, scones and your favourite tea. Chocolate journeys created by Norman Love are available throughout the ship in the main dining room dessert menus, and you can discover even more unique creations in Sabatini's Italian restaurant, Crown Grill, Sterling Steakhouse and the Chef's Table experience.
Entertainment on board is extensive and wide-ranging, and they're sure to find something that suits you.
In the main theatre you'll find big production shows including new original musicals created exclusively by Stephen Schwartz, the Grammy and Academy Award-winning composer of Wicked, Godspell and Pippin. The theatre also hosts visiting acts including singers, comedians, magicians and illusionists. Around the ship there's music happening during the day and into the evening from the resident bands on board, and there's even karaoke in the nightclubs. And if you love karaoke, you will love The Voice of the Ocean, a new spin on the worldwide TV show, where guests compete throughout the cruise to help crown the voice of the ocean.
And don't forget to catch movies under the stars. You can watch the latest blockbusters on a gigantic screen under the night sky.
Princess also hosts various parties throughout the cruise, including the Love Boat Disco Deck Party, the Captain's Reception featuring the Champagne Waterfall, and the Farewell Party featuring the huge balloon drop. During the day there's loads of activities going on, including quizzes, game shows, cooking and cocktail demonstrations, dance classes, seminars and even language classes. And if you're looking to keep fit on your cruise, there's a wide array of complimentary fitness classes, including yoga and Zumba, plus the onboard gym which is also free to use. And if you're feeling lucky, all Princess ships feature a casino, which also hosts special events throughout the cruise. And with the recent ship refurbishments came a new youth programme, made in conjunction with Discovery, with different clubs and activities for children aged from 3 to 17.
So what's included and not included on a Princess ship? So I can tell you what is included, quite a lot. Room service is included, apart from the $3 charge for pizzas. All of the main dining restaurants, as well as the buffet, are also free. Soft serve ice cream is completely free as well, which is great because on many cruise lines you actually have to pay extra for this. So the International Cafe, the 24-hour servery, is also free as well, offering tasty, savoury and sweet treats. All of your entertainment is included as well, so the big theatre shows, the visiting artists and comedians, it's the movies under the stars experience, as well as all of the quizzes and everything that goes on around the ship is completely free, including the pool areas. And of course, as in most cruise liners, the children's clubs are completely free, so you can send your kids off to enjoy themselves while you get up on deck and just soak up the rays and enjoy yourself. Also in your room there's an extensive list of on-demand movies, television shows and other things like that, and it is all free. We were absolutely amazed by the awesome selection of the latest movies and TV shows which are available at a click of a button for completely free here on Princess Cruises. One great money saving tip to save money while buying drinks on board is to bring a bottle of wine per adult per cruise. So if there's 2 people in your stateroom, make sure you bring 2 bottles of wine on board, no beer or anything else, just wine or champagne, and you can enjoy that in your stateroom for free. If you want to bring on extra bottles of wine, there is a corkage fee for each bottle of wine you bring on. So David, what's not included?
Thanks Ben. So specialty dining starts from around $20 and upwards depending on the restaurant and the ship.
Gelato, espresso coffee and premium teas from the International Cafe are also an extra cost. The Sanctuary, which is the adults-only private sun deck, is also an extra cost, and passes are available for a half day or a full day. Additional activities such as the Ultimate Ship Tour or wine tasting also cost extra. Onboard internet access is also extra, and packages start from $69 for 100 minutes.
And just like all major cruise lines, shore excursions, spa treatments and special fitness classes are not included in the cost of your cruise, and these will be additional charges.
A daily gratuity charge is also added by per person per day for sailings that are not from Australia. Check the description below for up-to-date pricing on everything that we've mentioned in this video. Princess also offer various drinks packages that are available to pre-order, or you can buy them on board. The Premier Beverage package includes a wide array of cocktails, wine, beer, bottled water, specialty coffee, smoothies and fountain sodas. The Unlimited Soda and More package includes unlimited fountain drinks, mocktails, juices and complimentary hot chocolate throughout your cruise. The Canned Soda package includes any 6 sodas in combination for the price of 5, and the 5 for 4 beer package allows you to choose 5 bottled beers for the price of 4. There's also bottled water that you can pre-order and be delivered to your cabin. Finally, the Newgrounds Coffee package gives you 15 espresso-based hot or cold specialty coffee drinks with complimentary brewed coffee and premium teas for the duration of your cruise. Check the description below for up-to-date pricing on all the drinks packages that we've mentioned in this video.
Some of our highlights on board include the food in the main dining rooms and the desserts.
Yes, it's been so good. Seriously, the main dining food has been just as good as some other specialty restaurants we've been on other cruise lines, hasn't it?
It really, really has. It's been delicious every evening, and as you just said, the quality has been outstanding.
One thing that I have to say is that the buffet, particularly on the smaller ships, is very small, and we were quite shocked when we first saw it, wasn't it? But it does include all of the basics, and it really does push you to go and enjoy the main dining quality food, doesn't it, anyway?
It does. And the biggest thing that has made an impression on us is the service on board. The staff have been outstanding, providing us with a smile and friendly service every day.
Yeah, and it's a really, really friendly group of fellow travellers as well, haven't we?
Yeah.
We made loads of new friends, so it's been a really enjoyable cruise. We've really enjoyed ourselves here on Princess Cruises, and we felt like it's for us, don't we, really?
Yeah, we do. We've
Generally
enjoyed the relaxing atmosphere and the harking back to some of the traditions of cruising, but still being a modern cruise line.
We're absolutely chuffed that we can add Princess Cruises to our already now expanding group of cruise lines that we really enjoy.
Repertoire.
Yeah, so that's another one added, because we've really genuinely enjoyed Princess Cruises. Okay, so who do we think Princess Cruises is for?
Well, they have a really widespread passenger base, but we tell you to choose carefully as the ships vary in size, in service and in the people that are on board.
Definitely, and it depends on the type of cruise. So longer cruises, outside of school holidays, you're going to have an older clientele.
Yeah.
But during summer holidays, you'll find a lot more families and children on board.
And that goes for the sizes of the ships. The smaller ships tend to do longer, more exotic itineraries, so you're going to find an older crowd on board. But the larger and the bigger, the newer
modern ships like the Royal, Majestic and Regal
have a really widespread amount of people and also attract multi-generational families.
So we think that Princess Cruises is for people who enjoy a traditional cruise, but not a stuffy cruise. So it's still got its modern elements, but it's still got its firm traditional feelings, such as the dining and the sort of the style of the ships as well. Are very traditional, very beautifully and moderately decorated, aren't they? So I guess that's it for our ultimate guide to Princess Cruises. We really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe below. Come on, we're waiting for you. Subscribe right now just below by clicking on, and we've got loads of tour videos, review videos, and a whole bunch of videos coming up, so don't miss out on them.
And don't forget, you can get in touch with us via Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You can see our handles just on the page right now.
So that's it for this time.
Until next time, happy cruising!